Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change TradingView password. Keeping your account secure starts with a strong, up-to-date password, and the process to change it on TradingView is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it step by step and add a few helpful tips along the way so everything goes smoothly. For Shopify store owners and beginners, this is especially important because your account may contain sensitive trading strategies, subscription details, or linked payment information. Keeping it secure protects both your data and your investments. First, open TradingView and look to the top left of the screen. Click on your profile icon. When the menu appears, hover your cursor over your username to reveal more options. Then, select Settings and Billing. This takes you into the area where you manage your account preferences and security. Think of this as your personal control center. It's where you can review billing, update personal details, and maintain strong account protection. Once you're in, head to the Account Settings tab. You'll see several sections here related to your profile and billing, but Account Settings is the one dedicated to your core account details and sign-in information. This is the section that directly affects how you log in and authenticate your account, so it's a good idea to check it periodically for updates or any suspicious activity. Inside Account Settings, find and click the Change Password button. This opens the form you need to update your credentials. TradingView asks for your current password first to verify it's really you making the change. Type your current password carefully, then enter your new password, and finally, confirm the new password by typing it again exactly the same. This step ensures that unauthorized users cannot take over your account, which is especially crucial if you've shared devices or work from multiple locations. When choosing your new password, pick something strong and unique. Aim for a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoid using anything easy to guess, like common words, simple patterns, or personal dates. Reusing passwords from other sites is risky, so make this one distinct. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to generate and store a secure option, and you may see a prompt to update your saved password after you change it. A strong password not only keeps your TradingView account safe, but also protects any linked tools, analytics, or trading bots connected to your account. Before you proceed, double-check for typos, especially in the confirmation field. Make sure caps lock isn't on, and that both new password entries match exactly. If they don't, TradingView will let you know so you can correct it. This is a small but crucial step. Typos here can lock you out temporarily, which is frustrating if you need to access charts quickly for trading or store insights. When everything looks good, click Save. You should see a confirmation that your password has been updated. From this point on, your new password will be the one you use to sign in. If you're logged in on other devices, some sessions might ask you to sign in again, which is normal after a password change. This ensures that all active sessions are secure and only authorized users are logged in. That's all there is to it. You clicked your profile icon, went into Settings and Billing, opened the Account Settings tab, selected Change Password, entered your current and new passwords, and saved your changes. Take a moment to remember or securely store your new password. Using a password manager is highly recommended for convenience and security, and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and stay safe online. Strong passwords are a simple but powerful step toward protecting your accounts and your business.